Building a billion-dollar Shopify business by 2025 is possible with the right strategies, mindset, and determination. Select a high-demand, scalable market. Popular niches in 2025 include eco-friendly products, health and wellness, and tech innovations. Your brand reflects your mission, values, and connection with customers. Build a cohesive brand story that resonates with your audience. Shopify offers tools like multi-currency support and advanced analytics. Leverage these features to streamline operations and improve performance. Use Shopify's analytics tools to track customer behavior. Leverage paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Google to reach your audience. Your Shopify store must be mobile-friendly. Ensure your website loads quickly and provides a seamless mobile shopping experience. Automation is essential for scaling. Use apps to automate tasks like order processing and inventory management. Customer retention is crucial for long-term success. Implement loyalty programs and provide excellent customer service. Shopify makes it easy to sell internationally with multi-currency and multi-language options. Tailor offerings to local preferences. Influencers can drive traffic and increase brand awareness. Partner with influencers who can authentically promote your products. Stay ahead of industry trends and look for new technologies like AI and AR. Constantly innovate to keep your brand competitive. Turning your Shopify store from zero to billionaire status by 2025 is achievable. Start implementing these tips today.